The average summer temperature around Rapid City, South Dakota is about 80 degrees. With temperatures like that, it's important for airmen to watch for heat stress.
Heat stress is basically the overall heat load on a person's body. Basically what it does, it's going to make you sweat, it's going to make you tired and probably irritable. Dehydration, and then you have your more serious things like heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Heat stroke is the most serious, and that can ultimately end up in death if not taken care of.
To protect airmen from the negative effects heat stress can have, the Air Force uses the Heat Stress Index, which charts how much rest and water a person needs per hour based on the temperature and level of work. Here's what it looks like. If you're doing easy work and it's between 78 and 85 degrees outside, according to the Heat Stress Index, you should be drinking half a quart of water per hour. That's about one 16-ounce water bottle. And you don't need to designate time to rest. If it's hotter than 85 degrees, then you need to drink more water, about 3/4 of a quart, or 1.5 bottles of water. Let's say you increase your work intensity from easy work to moderate work. You should drink about 1.5 bottles of water per hour, and now you should add some time to rest. As the temperature increases, so does the time you need to take a break. From around 80 to 85 degrees, you should work for 50 minutes and rest for 10 minutes out of every hour. From about 85 to 88 degrees, you should work for 40 minutes and rest for 20, and so on. That's what you do for moderate work, but for hard work, you need to drink more and rest more. From 82 degrees on, you should drink 2 full bottles of water per hour. And resting becomes even more important as you're working harder in the heat. At 82 degrees, you should be resting for half of every hour. As the temperature rises, you need to take more time to rest.
There's not going to be off-duty, obviously, anybody telling you it's black flag, red flag, whatever, but you should definitely follow these things when you're off-duty. Keep your water intake up and just use common sense.
By following the Heat Stress Index, airmen can help ensure that they will be able to enjoy the South Dakota summer. Reporting from Rapid City, South Dakota, I'm Airman First Class Kate Walker.